Welcome to the Easy channel. Learn and enjoy.
The driver in the gray Mazda was driving in the rightmost lane and decided to do a U-turn across 3 lanes and a median without looking. This is in Ontario, Canada. Everything is obvious here. He was passing on a yellow traffic light, while at the moment of the collision, the traffic light switches to red. We watch the accident again in slow motion. It happened in Colorado Springs, Colorado. Again, red light runner. Work truck drives through the red light, wrecking into an SUV. It happened in Fresno, California. This driver was going to turn right off of the main road. He had the turn signal on. It can be heard clicking.
Motherfucker.
As he was beginning to make the turn, idiot hits him and pushing his car into a yard. I sped up the boring part. This is a classic example of hit and run. Watch the video till the end.
That car hit me and left. The gray one.
The police caught up with him and found that he has a very long criminal record. Wet roads, traffic, doing the limit, and this happens. Look, this idiot, what is he doing? It happened in Wichita, Kansas. Racer overtook this car and almost hit the oncoming car. This could have ended very badly. Luckily, nothing happened. Occurred in Bulgaria. This driver decided he didn't want to use the roundabout correctly and just cut through the oncoming traffic lane. This happened in Australia. It is a good thing that the Camry driver was paying attention to his surroundings and ready to react. 2 Toyotas trying to occupy the same space. This happened in Ontario, Canada. I don't know what's wrong with this guy. You will see in the video that he constantly checks the brakes without needing to. He may be trying to commit insurance fraud to get hit by this car. Even pedestrians wondered what was wrong with him. The video has been sped up twice so as not to be boring. It happened in South Bend, Indiana. This was inevitable. I feel sorry for the deer. It happened in Iowa.
Artillery shell lodged in his rectum, raising the question, how long was it in there?
Yeah, since WW1 or what?
88 years old. He goes into the hospital. They realize what he has lodged in his bum, and they had to evacuate. Now, the bomb disposal experts at the scene